Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little bit since I uploaded, but we are back and we're here, and I'm so glad to be back with you guys. You're gonna be seeing a lot of me in these next couple of days, and I'm so excited for it. Today I wanted to come on and just let's debrief. Let's talk about how to be the most effective person in your 20s, in your teens, at any point of your life. Just how to be very productive, how to be effective, how to get things done. Number one, I definitely would suggest getting a journal or an iPad or a notebook, something that just lets you keep yourself accountable and also helps you write down how you're feeling, what you want to do, what are your goals for the month, what are your goals for the week, just something to keep you accountable and something to keep you motivated. I know personally I have a planner, and I'll just go in there and I'll write what I want to do for the week, I'll write what I want to do for the month, I'll write whatever plans I have, and I feel like it really helps kind of break down that anxiety of like not knowing where your life is going, and it also just brings like some peace of organization, because organization is so important. It's so important. Without it, everything is going to be messed up. You will not know what to do. You won't know anything. You'll just be walking around with no head, basically. If you do decide to, or if you already have an iPad, I'm not saying to go out and buy an iPad. Like, no one is saying for you to go do that. But if you do have an iPad, I would suggest the app Notability or Good Notes, or even the Note app to write things down for the week. I used to do that all the time. You don't even need an Apple Pencil. You could just type it out. You can even do it on your phone. You really don't need these other things either. It's just how dedicated are you to being organized, because you could literally make any tool that you have work. So that's like the first thing that I would suggest: getting a planner, notebook, using your iPad, or just even using your phone. Say hi. Hi, Bobo. Second of all, I would suggest also reading. I feel like what you are is what you put into yourself, whether it's your environment, your food, what you're indulging in daily, like TV, what you're listening to for music. So I would suggest reading books that are talking about daily habits, and also just motivational pieces to make you kind of be motivated to want to be effective and want to be the most proactive person that you could be. The books that I would suggest right now, I think I have a lot of them put away, but I really liked the book When. I also listen to audiobooks too, and mostly podcasts. So for podcasts, I'll listen to Hindsight. That's my guy. He just puts a lot of good energy into the room whenever I'm just feeling a little down or just feeling like I need to be motivated again. He really helps lift the mood up. And I'll put some other YouTubers in the description of who I like to watch when I'm feeling like I don't feel productive, I don't feel effective, I feel like my life is just running around in circles. So I'll link those down below as well. Another suggestion that I would give is to find a tribe that is in the same group that you want to see yourself in, if that makes sense. So imagine that you want to be, I'm just going to use sports. Imagine if you want to play basketball, right? You're going to want to hang around basketball players. So what does that mean? You're going to go to the gym, you're going to make friends so that you guys could push each other and so that you guys could get each other to the next level. That is the same thing when it comes to the goals that you have for your life. You need to put the people that you can see yourself reaching those goals with in your life. So for me, it would be reaching out to other creatives and just, having coffee or having lunch with them and just really getting to know them, and it will subconsciously inspire you because you are in the same arena as them. Do you know what I mean? So definitely look at your tribe and look at who you have around you and what you have around you. That even goes for social media as well. It's like, who are you following? Who is inspiring you? Are you seeing drugs and booty and other BS on your timeline daily? Are you still following the shade room? If you're still following the shade room, please, please, please unfollow the shade room. I promise you, when I unfollowed the shade room, I felt 10 times better about scrolling on my timeline. It would just be something so like toxic scrolling down. It's like, I don't care who's arguing. I don't care who's having a baby. I don't care who's cheating on who. So like, why stress yourself out over stuff that doesn't even matter? That's not even a part of your life. You need to be using this time to enrich yourself. So like, follow people on Instagram who inspire you. Follow other athletes. Follow other creative people. Follow other gym people. Like, follow the same tribe that you want to be. Because the more that you put that into your spirit, the more that it's naturally just gonna show. It's naturally gonna show because that's what you know. That's what you see all the time. So yeah, that's another good tip. I would say also look at your morning routine, right? So my routine consists of waking up. I will get up around like 5:45, 6, depending on the day, and go to the gym. And my workout at the gym will be about an hour and some change. And then I'll come home, and if I have time, I'll meditate, you know, just show some gratitude for even waking up. Show some love for like my family. I'll always talk to my family in the morning, even if it's like not all of them, but at least 1 or 2 members of my family. I'll talk to them just to get like the right pace of my day. And then I'll get to work, and then I'm off at 5, and then I'm just decompressing. Like, allow yourself to decompress as well, because you do not want to experience burnout, right? Yeah, so let's rewind. Morning routine. I feel like the most effective morning routine is waking up, making your bed. Oh, before all this, put the stuff out that you're gonna wear the next day. Put like your gym stuff out, put your things that you're gonna wear for the day out, just so you can be ready. Get a good night's sleep, 6 to 8 hours, I'm sorry. And wake up, make your bed, brush your teeth. Like, be quiet with yourself. Do not pick up your phone. Do not pick up your phone. I'm telling you, I saw something that it was like, you shouldn't pick up your phone, because what if the first thing you see when you wake up is like a school shooting, or I don't know, another just horrible current event that just really brings you down. It's like, at least allow yourself to be up when you first wake up, and then maybe throughout your day, that's when like you check your phone. Like, get the basic things done and then check your phone. I'm telling you, that little thing itself has changed me. Like, I literally used to wake up and just get straight on my phone, and I would be like, dang, why do I feel like irritable and like anxious and like lazy? And it was because I realized whenever I get up and go straight to my phone, I'm on it. So please do not pick up your phone when you wake up. Just get dressed, go do like a 30-minute walk, or even put on like a 10 to 15 minute core video or Pilates video or yoga routine, and stretch and get your mind right for the day, because you will feel so much better after doing that. It will set the pace for the rest of your day. I'm telling you. So your morning routine is very important. So I'm really hoping that you guys take these tips that I'm giving you, because I'm telling you, these things have changed me. And then another thing, just for productiveness and effectiveness, I would say also to look out and see if you could find a life coach, honestly, or accountability partner. Let that person know what you want to do. Let them know your goals. Let them know what your dreams are, so that they could keep you accountable, so that they can push you, because we are our biggest critic. And as our biggest critic, we're not going to allow ourselves to go past the limit that we set for ourselves. Like, people will literally see the sky or the outer space as your limit, but you personally will see the ceiling, because you're literally putting yourself down before you can even get up. So make sure that you have someone who will literally push you through that barrier to make sure that you are becoming the best version of yourself. Just that you have faith in yourself. Accountability partners and life coaches are so important. Like, I'm thankful because I got my mom, so she's gonna check me regardless. She's gonna make sure that I'm good. I got my friends too that are like, what's happening with this? And I'm like, ooh, you right. I got my family that's like, Jordan, you haven't done this in a minute. And I'm like, ooh, you definitely just called me out. And it makes me get on my stuff because, yeah, you just don't want to do yourself dirty. You want to make yourself proud, so why not have someone that can help you do it? It's okay to ask for help. That's the one thing about our generation. I feel like everybody's very hyper independent. And I was also listening to this on Heinz podcast, but it's like everyone is very independent now. It's like you want to be known by getting it on your own and doing it by yourself, but it is okay to ask for help. And I struggle with this too because I'm very independent due to what I have been through growing up. I just learned how to be very independent. But I think that it's good to also be codependent. Like, know those people that you can depend on and know those people that you shouldn't. Like, and that doesn't mean you don't have to be their friend, but just know that balance and be able to be comfortable in yourself to reach out and ask for help. Because I promise you, learning information from them will be just like reading a book, will be just like watching an online course, but that's someone that you can confide in, so it means even more than a stranger telling you what to do. Ask for help when you need it. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It does not make you weak. It actually makes you strong because you're willing to step out of yourself, out of your ego, out of your independence to be able to be like, actually, no, I do need help. And I'm gonna ask for some. Yeah, those are some tips that I have though, just to be effective and be productive and work to the best version of yourself. I would love to give more tips and more information because I feel like this is a good topic to, dwell on, because I feel like a lot of people don't really know how to. I mean, you see everybody's morning routine and it's like, that doesn't work for me. But it's like, what if you just have the bullet points that work for you and go off of that? You don't have to follow someone's routine, but do what works for you so that you can become the best version of yourself and so that you can get this coin and so that you can make yourself happy. Like, come on. That's all I wanted to come on here and talk to y'all about. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will definitely make sure to put those links to the YouTube channels that I recommended in the description box. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please share with a friend if you enjoyed, and also like, comment, subscribe. You don't have to subscribe, but at least let me know if you used any of these tips before or if these tips have worked for you, because I feel like right now we're at the point where everyone is very in tune with themselves, but it's like we just need like a little bit more of the population to be more in tune with themselves in order for us to really excel as a human race. So let's get into our bags, and I wish you all the best with this journey, and I will talk to you guys really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.